Hey traders! It's John again. I found a very interesting way of trading crypto. From what I have seen, it is very profitable and may change the game. Have you ever had a feeling that Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency will go down? Well, I have. Now, you've probably asked yourself, how can it be profitable for me? Right? First of all, I will remind you of 2008. Who remembers what happened to the market back then? It crashed. People who were expecting the market to go up, lost a lot of money. People that made a bet on the opposite direction, made bank. These people did a trade called short. Look here. Can you see how it fell down? That was end of 2008. Here you can see Bitcoin's price history. The red arrows are the points where you can make money if you did an opposite trade. Did you know that you can trade on an asset and make money even if it goes down? So how does it work? It's called short or sell. Trade against the market price. Let's say you think that Bitcoin will go down 10%. You make a short trade and will be able to make 10% on your money. Short is often called sell as well. Let's look at another example. Bitcoin's price is $10,000 and you make a short trade. You invest $1,000 on this trade. The price of Bitcoin goes down 10%, then, you make 10% from your investment, which is $100. Sounds good. Right? There are many assets that go up and down every day. Now you can make money even if they go down. I want to show you few examples. This is Ripple. See how many times it went down? A lot. This is Ethereum. Same as Ripple, many opportunities. So, where can you trade like this? You can do it with Etoro. It's a great trading platform with regulation. Open a free demo account now before you continue watching this video. Links are in the description below. Trading with Etoro is trading CFDs. You do not hold the asset but only trade on the price movement. Now, why is it good? You do not need to keep your crypto safe and remember passwords. You do not need any device to hold your money. A few things you should know about Etoro. You can start with small amounts, between $50 and $200, depending on your geo. They have free demo accounts and a lot of crypto assets to trade. They have regulation and they provide financial education. And lastly, you can open small trades starting from $1. Now you might be thinking to yourself, what if I do not know how to trade? Etoro has a solution for you. Etoro has a system called copy. You can copy other traders. You choose a good trader and let him work for you. Take a look here. On the dashboard of Etoro, we click copy. Now we see a huge list of people that are relevant to my filters. By return, risk, trades, etc. I can choose the filters I want. One of the filters is to only show traders with a lot of people that copy them. Here we see the return of each trader. Next to it we can see the risk level. The higher the number, the higher the risk. Below we can see how many people copy these people. Now let's click on a random trader. We can see down here what he trades the most. Now let's go to the stats and take a look at the profits or the losses of this trader. From what I can see, he has been in the game for a long time. Most of the months are green, which means he makes money. Now let's copy this trader. I can choose the amount I want, choose the risk, and choose the units. You should check your math before copying any trader. It is very important to set those limits and those prices. Remember, this is your money. Take responsibility. Today, you learned a new way of trading, and a new way of making money while copying other traders. Seems like a good time to subscribe to my channel and like my content. See ya soon. In the meantime, watch this cool video about how not to lose your money.